Hi, welcome to Information Management Strategies, also known as You've Got the Information, Now What? We've looked at how to get information and how to take notes so that you can access the information readily when it comes to assignments or exam preparation. Today we're looking at organising that information into an assignment. Most of the assignments you'll do at uni are essays, but these methods can also help when doing reports or tables. First of all, look at the question that you're being asked. Break it down into smaller questions. This ensures that you're answering the whole question and not getting stuck in answering just one part of it. You've probably already formed an opinion or answer to the question. This is called unpacking the question, and it's a vital tool to get good marks. You'll never have a good essay if you don't know what you're being asked to write about. Most essay questions ask one of two things: discuss a particular topic or argue a particular topic. To discuss something means you're showing your understanding of the topic, but you're not showing any strong opinions about it. For example, you might discuss a film without saying you love or hated it, or in this example, you're discussing the differences between oranges and apples. When you're arguing a topic, you're being asked to actively find research in order to present an argument. You're forming your own opinion and backing it up with peer-reviewed papers that agree with your opinion to convince the reader. For example, you might argue that a particular film fits within a director's work because of this, this and this, or that it doesn't fit because of this, this and this. Both of these essay types usually require examples. So you've got your information gathered. What happens now? Some people organise their information before starting an essay. Some people write their information and then organise it into a flowing essay. Some people do a combination, and some people just wing it. To organise your information, you can use a variety of methods and software. You can use notes on the side of your dossier of readings. You can organise these notes into software such as Word, Scrivener or EndNote, or you could make notes on a notepad. The benefit of using software is that you can also put in the URL of the place that you found that information so you can easily refer back to it. If you find that a lot of work, try using two windows of your browser, one for each assignment that you're working on, or keep one open for research and one open for general net surfing. Remember to back it up, because chances are that your browser will crash or the computer will need to do updates or something right in the middle of you writing your assignment. The other method is just to write your information first and organise it later so that it flows. I find this is a helpful way of getting the information out of your brain, working on the structure later rather than trying to make the information fit the structure. With any essay, the important part is the information. The structure and format are secondary. However, you get it right and it's easy marks. Think about it this way. You're on a cooking show. The meal you've presented tastes good, but it's pretty messy. You're going to get good marks for the taste because it's the most important part of the meal, but getting it to look nice will also give you easy marks and you're safe for elimination, or in this case, getting a low mark for your assignment. One more important point about essays: check your word count. Always be within the word count limits because you'll be penalised if you're not. Check with your tutor. There's often a leeway of 10% each way, so for a 2,000 word essay, you're allowed between 1,800 and 2,200 words. Each tutor is different, so check to see if that includes the word count with in-text references and quotes. A general rule is to use the word count on your writing program and stick to it, but don't include the reference list. If you're over the word count, cut out all the superfluous words such as and or but. Shorten sentences to about 20 words each. Use punctuation, but only if you know how to use it correctly. Semicolons aren't just for winky faces, you know. You may need to cut whole paragraphs. Choose sentences that don't add to your argument and cut them. Stick to a theme which answers the question and not goes off on a tangent. If you're too short on the word count, find some other references. Use the references cited in your research and follow up on those. There's probably a bunch more information in that paper that you can use. Don't add superfluous words, they'll make your work clunky and hard to read. Add another angle to your argument. Something like, oranges are better because the colour orange is proven to lift moods better than the red of an apple. Finally, send off your work to Smart Thinking, which is a free service via OUA. The Smart Thinking team are experienced in writing essays, so They can't help you with the course content. They can advise you on how to make your essay more readable and hopefully earn you better marks. That's it from me this week. Study hard and have a great week.